Monu Burwa sir, senior advocate.
Hello, আমি আমার মঞ্চের প্রতিষ্ঠ অতিথিবৃন্দকে নিয়োজিত তরফে আগামী জেলা বিচারিছি এবং এখানে আগামী জেলা বিচারিছি প্রফেসর অজন্তদের জেলায় আসতে হবে আমি তেখেতক বাইদেউক আদৰণি জনাব জনাইছোঁ এখন শৰাই এখন গামোচা আৰু এটি মোমেণ্টোৰে আমি তেখেতক আদৰণি জনাবৰ বাবে জনাইছোঁ সকলোকে এটা ডাঙৰ হাত চাপৰি দিবলৈ আমি জনাইছোঁ ধন্যবাদ ইয়াৰ পাছত আমি আমাৰ মাজত উপস্থিত আছে চুমি শইকীয়া ভৰালী ছেক্ৰেটাৰী নটৰাজ আৰ্ট এণ্ড মিউজিক ইনষ্টিটিউট তেখেতকো আদৰণি জনাব ডক্টৰ ৰাণা শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়া ABSC অফিচাৰ ধন্যবাদ আমাৰ মাজত উপস্থিত থকা জয়ন্ত মাধৱ শইকীয়া ডাঙৰীয়া ধন্যবাদ আমার মাজত উপস্থিত থকা ডক্টৰ মনিতা উহেংগাম বৈজ্ঞানিক আমি তেখেতক আদৰণি জনাবৰ বাবে আমাৰ শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ ডক্টৰ ৰাণা শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াক অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ আমার মাজত ৰাণা শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াক অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ
থকা উপস্থিত গণমান্য ব্যক্তিসকল বিশেষ মোৰ অভিজ্ঞতা খুব কমেই অথবা সুন্দৰ পৰিৱেশ আমাক দিয়াৰ বাবে নিলিতক আমি অশেষ ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ আৰ্টৰ বিষয়ে মই বিশেষ নকওঁ সকলোৱে জানে আৰ্টৰ যিসকলে আৰ্ট কৰে সেইসকলৰ মনটো খুব ধুনীয়া বুলি চবেই জানে আৰু যিসকলে সুন্দৰ আৰ্ট কৰে তেওঁলোকৰ সুন্দৰ হেণ্ড ৰাইটিঙৰ অধিকাৰীও হ'ব পাৰে মনটো চঞ্চলৰ পৰা খুব স্থিৰ কৰি আনে ধৈৰ্য শক্তি বঢ়ায় আৰু এনেদৰে আগলৈ আমাক সহায় সহযোগিতা সকলোৱে কৰি থাকিব বুলি আশা ৰাখি মই মোৰ সমবক্ততা সামৰণি মাৰিলোঁ ধন্যবাদ
ওমেন ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিৰ উপাচাৰ্য মহোদয়া এই অনুষ্ঠানৰ সঞ্চালিকা মহোদয়া আৰু উপস্থিত বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তিসকল উপস্থিত আজি এই অনুষ্ঠানৰ মধ্যমণি আমাৰ শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকল আৰু অভিভাৱকসকল এই আৰ্ট অলপ আগতে বাইদেউ আমাক কৈ গৈছে এই আৰ্ট চিত্ৰকলা যিটো বস্তু সেইটো সঁচাকৈ অতি খুব প্ৰতিভা নাথাকিলে এই চিত্ৰকলা মানুহে কোনো কৰিব নোৱাৰে মানে নিজৰ অনুভৱ চিত্ৰৰ যোগেদি সমাজলৈ লৈ যোৱা এই যিটো প্ৰতিভা সেইটো কিমান এটা উচ্চ স্তৰ সেইটো আমি যোনে যোনে চেষ্টা কৰিছোঁ আৰ্ট কৰিবলৈ তেওঁলোকে গম পাওঁ মই ব্যক্তিগত বিষয়ত মই ক'বলৈ বিচাৰোঁ মই সেই ক্ষেত্ৰত আৰ্টৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত সৰিয়হ গুটি বাহিৰে অন্য একো আঁকিব নাজানো সৰিয়হ গুটিটো আঁকিব জানো আঁকিব নাজানো তো এই যি আৰ্ট আছে এই যি কলা আছে চিত্ৰকলা ইয়াৰ ভাগ বহুত আছে সেইখিনি আপোনালোকে পিছত পাবই নিশ্চয় স্কুলত শিকিছে মই বিশেষকৈ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ কাৰণে কৈছোঁ এইখিনি ইয়াৰ ভাগ বহুত আছে তালৈ উন্নতি কৰি তালৈ যাবলৈ বা সেইনে তেনেকুৱা এটা জেগাত উপনীত হ'বলৈ এটা লক্ষ্য লাগিব আজি আৰ্ট চিত্ৰকলাৰ এক প্ৰফেশ্যন হ'ব পাৰে সেইটো আজি প্ৰুফ হৈছে যে চিত্ৰকলাৰ যোগেদিও মানুহে পৃথিৱীত নাম কৰিছে এনেকুৱা বহুত আমি জানো আমি যদি হিষ্ট্ৰী চাওঁ আমি যদি অতীতৰ এইবিলাক চাওঁ দেখোন ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ চিত্ৰকলা সমাজত পৃথিৱীত নাম কৰিছে কিন্তু মই বিশেষকৈ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলক ক'ম যে এই যে আমি যদি কিবা এটা কৰিবলৈ হওঁ তাৰ কাৰণে আমি লক্ষ্য ৰাখিব লাগিব। আমি আমাৰ যদি লক্ষ্য থাকে, দৃঢ় নিষ্ঠা থাকে, তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি আমাৰ জেগাত আমি উপনীত হ'ব পাৰিম। সংস্কৃতৰ এটা সুভাষিত আছে, কি কৈছে? কাক দৃষ্টি বক ধ্যানম শান নিদ্ৰা ঠিক আছে অল্পহাৰী গৃহত্যাগী পঞ্চায়তে ছাত্ৰ লক্ষণম। এই আমি ছাত্ৰ, আমি শিক্ষাৰ্থী, আমাৰ শিক্ষাৰ্থী কেইটামান গুণ থাকিব লাগিব, যে সেইকেইটা গুণ যদি আমি থাকে তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি নিজৰ লক্ষ্যত উপনীত হ'ব পাৰিম। এই প্ৰথমতে কি কৈছে? কাকৰ দৃষ্টি, কাক মানে কাউৰী নিচিনা দৃষ্টি থাকিব লাগিব। আমি যিসকলে গাঁৱত এতিয়াতো ল'ৰাই বাথৰুমত গা ধুৱে, গতিকে ক'ব নোৱাৰে। আমি যিসকলে গাঁৱত পুখুৰী পাৰত গা ধুইছিলোঁ, তেওঁলোকে আমি নিশ্চয় জানো গা ধুতে চাবোনডোখৰ সাৱধানে ৰাখিব লাগে, নহ'লে কাউৰী আহি লৈ যায়। গতিকে কাউৰী দৃষ্টি বছৰবোৰ চাই আছে চাবোনডোখৰ নিম বুলি। আমাৰ শিক্ষাৰ্থীৰ দৃষ্টি তেনেকুৱা হ'ব লাগিব। আমি যিটো লক্ষ্য লৈছোঁ সেই লক্ষ্যত একদম দৃষ্টি নিবদ্ধ কৰি ৰাখিব লাগিব। তাৰপিছত কৈছে কি? বক ধ্যানম, বগলীৰ নিচিনা ধ্যান। আমি জানো এতিয়া ল'ৰা ছোৱালী পথাৰ নাই দেখা, যোনে পথাৰ দেখিছে তেওঁলোকে গম পাব যে বগলীয়ে মাছ ধৰিবলৈ এটা ঠেঙত থিয় হৈ বহুত দেৰি ৰৈ থাকে। মানে মাছে ফোন কৰি বগলীৰ ঠেংডালত বাঁহ বুলি ভাবে, আমি খুন্দিয়াই দিয়ে, খুন্দিয়াই বগলীটো লৈ যায়। তেনেকুৱা ধ্যান লাগিব ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী। তাৰপিছত কৈছে শান নিদ্ৰা, কুকুৰৰ নিচিনা নিদ্ৰা। কুকুৰ যেনেকে শুই থাকিব, ঠিক কৰিলে সাৰ পায়, তেনেকুৱা ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ নিদ্ৰা তেনেকুৱা হ'ব লাগে। আৰু লগতে কৈছে কি? অল্প মানে খাদ্য কম খাব লাগে, মানে বেছি পেট ভৰাই খাব নাই, অল্প ভুজি হ'ব লাগে, বেছিকে পেট ভৰাই খাব নালাগে। আৰু কৈছে গৃহত্যাগী মানে ঘৰ বাৰী এৰিবলৈ নাই কোৱা। আগতে আমাৰ কি আছিলে? শিক্ষা ব্যৱস্থাত মানুহ তাত গৈ ঘৰৰ পৰা শিশুৰ অৱস্থাৰ পৰা ছাত্ৰ অৱস্থালৈ যায়, তাত গৈ তুলত গৈ থাকে আৰু গৃহৰ চিন্তাটো বাদ দি দিয়ে। কিন্তু আজিৰ পৰিস্থিতিত আমি কি ভাবিব? আমি বেছিকে মানে গৃহস্থ যিবিলাক কাম, বিয়া বাৰু সকাম নিকাম এনেকুৱাবিলাকত বেছিকে গুৰুত্ব নিদি আমাৰ নিজৰ পঢ়াত মানে মন দিব লাগে। আৰু এই 5টা কথা যদি আমি মানি চলো, তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি এজন ভাল মানুহ হ'ব পাৰিম আৰু আমাৰ লক্ষ্যত আমি উপনীত হ'ব পাৰিম বুলি আমি বিশ্বাস কৰোঁ। ইয়াত লগতে আৰু এটা কথা কৈছে আমাৰ নীতিশাস্ত্ৰত, যে যাৰ বন্ধু বেছি তাৰ ঘৰত লক্ষ্মী আৰু সৰস্বতী বাস নকৰে। গতিকে মই ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলক, শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকলক এটা কথা ক'ম, বন্ধুত্ব খুব বেছি হ'লে শিক্ষাও ভাল নহয়, লগতে লক্ষ্মীও নাহে। গতিকে বন্ধুত্ব কমাই ৰাখিব লাগে আৰু খুব কম নিজৰ যিটো লক্ষ্য আছে লক্ষ্যত উপনীত হ'বলৈ নিজে তাৰ কাৰণে কাম কৰিব লাগে। ইমানতে ক'লোঁ, মই কৈ মোৰ সংবক্তব্য সামৰণি মাৰিম। ধন্যবাদ।
ক্লাছ 2 to 4 সাবজেক্টটো হৈছে ফ্লাৱাৰ গাৰ্ডেন উইথ বাটাৰফ্লাই। আৰু ক্লাছ
lecturer and Guwahati, Assam. I welcome Ma'am VC of Women University and all the as present students as well as the parents to the one-day workshops in art and digital and one-day explorations and where the nature meet the technology and art competition exhibitions. So, ma'am, thank you for coming down and giving your busy schedule for the Millet Institute. And by the grace of God, ma'am, we are here all together and to execute a grand success for this day. Thank you.
Students, নাৰ্চাৰীৰ পৰা ওৱানলৈকে তোমালোকে নিজৰ ইচ্ছামতে ড্ৰ কৰিব পাৰিবা। Own choice garden and butterfly with butterfly, मतलब एक flower garden उसके साथ butterfly ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Class 2 to 4, then 5 to 7 picture of
যি ভাবি অভিভাৱকে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীক লগত বহি
esteemed dignitaries on the dais, the guardians of the students,
and my dear students and other guests present here. Indeed, it is an opportune time for all of us to know that I carry greetings from Assam Women's University, which is the only women university in the entire Northeast, and one amongst the 18 women universities in India. We have an MOU with NILET, and especially when Dr. Rana calls me up for a program, I just can't deny it, because I have found him one of the most dynamic persons. In fact, when we look to the present situation, when NILET is conducting an art competition, it matters a lot. I always would look forward, and I would like to see NILET coming up in a very applied way, or in a very practical way, I would say. I was imagining, virtually I was thinking that the students will be sitting in front of the computers, because I know very well that NILET has got a very good sets of computers. If the student sits behind the computers or in front of the computers, there is two things in it. One sitting facing the computer and the other facing to the person, to that particular friend of theirs who is working on the computer. Now the first person will learn a lot as how to go ahead, and the student who is behind the computer will be inspired by that particular student's activities. So I was thinking that since we are in the physical reality, I am not a person from science background, but I see lot of possibilities for NILET in this era of technology. When we have the students accessing the computer and the entire art program which has been convened today, it's been given in such a way, key words, like as you have said, that the first topic is this. So the students will think about the physical reality first, that what we are going to do in this physical world. And then they will also think that there is need for understanding what is in the virtual world. So in front of the computer, the student who is sitting will first think about the physical reality as what you all are conducting today as a very important program. Here we see virtually that same student will think differently. And when they see differently, that matters a lot, because they are not being able to go to the virtual world unless and until institutes like NILET brings down the students to the computer center. And once they are in the virtual world, you will find lot of arts which they want to explore. Then in due course of time, I was thinking, this is my humble submission to the August gathering out here, that they will go for the augmented reality. We first talk about physical, then we talk about virtual, and thirdly, I would like to see the students going for augmented reality. In case of augmented reality, we will find our students talking with the universe, talking with the arts which they have in their mind. And this will give a better grasp to the students. So I urge upon an humble submission to the NILET personnel sitting here and across the dais to look forward and to explore those possibilities which the students have in their mind. I would like to share with you all that in our university, we are doing it in a small way. We have a Cuboid Immersive Center, and in the Cuboid Immersive Center, we will allow our students to learn, to gain knowledge, and to build up their access to that extent when the augmented reality materializes. This is a humble attempt. In fact, my submission to NILET, as we have the MOU, can we really start with the students of Assam Women's University and the students of Assam Women's University to mentor and counsel each of the students who participate in such program. This is my humble submission. Secondly, I would also like to place before you that we have also come up in our university with a humanoid robot. A humanoid robot, as we understand, is a robot who can talk or move, shake their body, and then make all the pauses that is possible. In a very simple way, the system analyst and his team at Assam Women's University has developed a humanoid robot. I would urge upon NILET to have lot many such robots on campus so that they get the answers through this robot. And it is very important in this era of technology. If we see things in a simple way, slowly we have to move to the era called technology. Otherwise, it is not possible to make our students technocrats or have an inclination towards technology, and especially for women, where we find that in case of science technology, that the number of students are less. So, Dr. Rana Goswami, I would just like to place before you, if this physical reality, in this physical reality, the students are brought down with the arch, right? So next time, after a gap, we put it in front of the computer for the virtual reality and then go for the augmented reality. This is my humble submission. So the robot which we have on our campus, that can be brought here so that your expertise will help us to really bring the robot to a final stage. We at Assam Women's University, we don't have much resources, but with our limited resources, we can also bring down the robot here for our students. That is very important. And the way we share our resources does matter a lot. So we have to think in a different way in this era of technology. And when we say AI, artificial intelligence, it is generative. And generative AI will help us to customize each perspective of our students. So we understand our students better, and if we can really disseminate during this period when they come for such type of competition, this will make them a better understanding of technology with limited resources and limited means of giving them the opportunity to come up as a citizen of this country who are technocrats. What I would like to share is that NILET has done a lot of work, but we also need to follow up and monitor these things. Students feel they are with the ENTO. This ENTO needs to be created. And this ENTO which is being created in this extension center needs to be disseminated to the society at our peripheries. Because when we think about the students on campus, students who could afford to come here, we also have to think about the students who want to come here, but it is not affordable for them. Affordable in the sense that they are not able to find out their parents, their guardians, who will accompany them to NILET Extension Center. So those things also we have to find out, and we have to make an assessment of the periphery villages one after another so that we know what is the outcome of NILET is being disseminated to the periphery area. This is very important because every institution has got the institutional social responsibility. So also educational institutes like ours as well as NILET. And we will be able to find out that some students who are longing to come here, but they are not able to come. And the reasons for it can be taken up by Assam Women's University, and the technological part can be taken by NILET. I'm very pleased to find out here that so many guardians have come, so many parents have come. My humble salutation to each one of you for giving the push to your children to come up for this competition, and which would mean a lot for the students in the days to come. But also I would request you to keep an eye on your helper's son or daughter. We have our domestic helpers at home. We can also tell them that please bring your child to this competition. Only then the society will change. Because we need to have shared knowledge, and we need to share this knowledge because it is a part of social responsibility. As the corporate sector, they have the corporate social responsibility, so also institutions and organizations in and across the country as well as the globe, we need to have this responsibility which will be very meaningful for an institution like NILET, because it is under the ministry and it can really do a lot of work and carry forward. I don't mean to say that NILET has not done work, but we have the practical experience in our university regarding NILET's work. So, as parents, I would like to say that it is very important on your part to give your suggestions for further improvement of such programs. And I wish all the best to our dear students who are engrossed in drawing and putting up their art as per the topic. I'm also taken aback that they could take up that particular topic to find out where do they go. But then you have written it in the pamphlet that they will be able to find out ways and means with keeping track with technology. So this is my humble submission. This August gathering, let us work together. Let us make our students, our children, better than yesterday. And let us also understand that we need to share all these things with the people in and around your family, in and around your institution. So we bring a better exposure, we give a better exposure to the students at large. In fact, I'm really deeply privileged and I would like to offer my thanks and gratitude to the organization for inviting me, and I would love to share with you all many things in the days to come. Thank you so much, especially Dr. Rana and Dr. Monita and others who are here for bringing about a change in the society, and let us see how we escalate in our change, and later on we also take up the mentoring and the monitoring process so that they understand, the students understand there are things to be improved, there are things to go beyond what we are doing today. Thank you so much and God bless you all.
Opportunities coming in the near future. Thank you so much. As we unfold the exhibition, I hope that will give lot of views to our NILET Extension Center. Has really come up with a very good effort. They are conducting the art competition and painting competition, but in the context of technology. So when we talk about in the context of technology, I just humbly suggested some measures to be taken by NILET. Like I was talking to them about the virtual reality and the augmented reality, because the students are working on the physical reality now. So let us see how they come up in the virtual reality and then in the augmented reality. And I have said this because I could find NILET is fully resourceful and they are so very active, all the members. Especially I would like to take the name of Dr. Rana Goswami, who is really a very versatile person, I would say, because he's totally involved with the students and doing the things in such a way so that really they come forth and they would be able to take up technology in the years to come. And moreover, I could feel and I could understand the women who are here, the small children who are here, half of them are women. And women, we want to bring them more under STEM. So it is high time that we give a thought to this and understand that how we are working and how we share our resources, as every organization or institution has the institutional social responsibility. So I think together we can work together in a better way, because we have a MOU with NILET, and let's go forward. And I have also placed regarding Assam Women's University that we have constructed a humanoid robot, and that can be made use in NILET. And to what extent we are correct in building up that humanoid robot, it will depend on from the views of the technocrats, whom we are very easily accessible here at NILET. So with the humble submission, I hope we'll work together and bring about a better change amongst the society, and also the guardians who are here. I would like to thank them and other guests present here. Thank you so much.
ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলৰ অংকন প্ৰণালী চাবলৈ গৈছে, গতিকে অভিভাৱকসকলে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলৰ কাষৰ পৰা আঁতৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ। প্ৰতিজন ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলে এই বিষয়ে ঘোষণা তেওঁলোকৰ আত্মপৰা পিছফালে নিজৰ নামটো লিখি দিবা। তোমালোকে চিত্ৰাংকন কৰাৰ পাছত তোমালোকে পিছফালে বেক চাইড নিজৰ নামবিলাক
Back side.